Alright, y'all. Bubba here again. Today, we're going to run over to my daddy's house to his wood shop. We're going to try to cut this up to make a handle out of this. That is the game plan for today. And actually, my dad's right there at the other house. But me and Matthew riding around, we're going to go try to cut these things up, see if we can't make a cup out of them, and see what we can do. But today is 4th of July. I'm really hoping y'all are spending it with some family. You know, remember that ain't just about barbecue and beers and pool parties. So, yeah, y'all don't forget to remember what today's all about. America, God bless it. Wow, motorcycle. So, y'all stick around. Here shortly, we're gonna be cutting this thing up. We're gonna even try to take it and put it in some hot water. See if we can't bend it. I've seen it done with oil, hot oil, but I'm gonna try with hot water and we'll see what happens. So y'all stick around. We'll be back here in the shop in just a little bit. All right, y'all. All right, we're here at Dad's shop. Check this out. This is a nice wood shop. What's that? Is that a Grammy hiding over there? I think that's a Grammy hiding over there. Lily's the dog running around. So we're gonna use this bandsaw right here. We're gonna try to cut this thing down and see if we can't do something. So this is gonna get loud. Maybe I'll edit it out, maybe I won't. But watch this. Let's see what we can do here. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Oh. Better raise it up a little bit. That's what we're at so far, folks. I'm gonna do some time trim on it and get a little bit skinnier. That's how it goes. Oh, future reference? It doesn't smell good. Alright, that's where we're at so far, folks. I'm gonna do some final trimming on it and get a little bit skinnier. Let's see how that goes. Oh, and for future reference, it doesn't smell good. What Mama found on her grapevine while she was out here running around. Got some good looking grapes growing, don't you, Mama?
Looks good, looks good. The bigger they are, the sweeter they are. That big fat one right there on the bottom.
That's what I say about my ladies. So I had to come back to my house to come next door where Dad's working at to get the belt sander. And of course, as soon as I walk up, the old man goes, "I'm glad you're here. I'm gonna need some help from you." But look, he's got a truck full of plywood. Say hey, Dad.
Hey!
But I brought Matthew. Hop on it, Matthew. So, I'll give you all a little quick story whether you care or not. My grandpa lives in Charleston and my uncle lives with him, and they're moving back down here. So they bought this trailer right next to my trailer for my uncle. And my uncle's gonna move into here. The problem with some of these old trailers and folks not taking care of things is they fall apart pretty quick. This one has no purlins. I got a rock in my crock. Ow! There was no purlins in here, so the floorboard was wavy as it could be. So he's pulled up all the floors. He's putting in new plywood, new purlins. He already did all new plumbing. And the funny thing is, the air conditioning ducts were all chewed up and just trashed. Got brand new ducts right there. It's a little dark, I don't know if you can see. Got his chop saw set up in here, insulation. Well, that's what we're doing over here. Is he's redoing everything inside this trailer, and so he's got a bunch of tools over here, and I'm going to borrow the belt sander because if you look at this, I don't want it that thick, and that bandsaw I don't think was the right tool for the job. So we're going to take a 40 grit on a belt sander to it. We're going to get her done. So we're going to help move some plywood. I don't reckon y'all need to watch me do that. And then I'm going to bust out the belt sander and get to work on this thing. All right, y'all, hold on. All right. Well, the bandsaw wasn't the right tool to finish this job. So I came over here, we got all the plywood loaded up, put it in the house, got the belt sander, and I'm going to try to take this down a little bit with the belt sander. And y'all can watch that if you want to. I don't even know if I got the camera position right. But I'm just going to take, I don't know if you can see the thickness of this and the sharp angles. I want to take this down so it's pretty flat and maybe bring it in a little bit on the sides. That way, because basically this is going to be your handle when you're holding it. Because I'm going to try to bend this backwards. Try, emphasis on try. So this is about, it feels good in my hand, but I don't like all this. And I don't like how thick it is this way. I don't mind the thickness this way, but I don't like it this way. So I'm going to try to take that down, and I'm going to use this belt sander with some 40 grit on it. So this might go quick, but we'll see. So let's see what happens here. It's working, but it's really loud, and it's going to take me a minute. So I don't reckon y'all need to sit here and listen to all this. But you can see where it's already starting to take it down pretty good, smoothing it out. It's dropping it down a good bit. So I'm just going to keep working this. I'm going to pause the camera, and I'll check back in a little bit because I don't reckon y'all want to hear this whining, screaming thing doing this. So let me work on it, and I'll be right back with you. So I got it about where I want it. I don't know if you can see that. See how I took those humps out? Now right here I'm going to have to do with a file and do by hand. And I got it all centered where I want it, and the rest will be done by hand. And it thinned it out a little bit. I think it's going to make a better handle. It fits just right. I'll do the rest by hand here in a little bit. But it's starting to rain on me. I am under the carport, but I'm going to have to file it outside or over here somewhere. But either way, I mean, I've never done this before, so anything I say, I'm sure there might be a way to do it better. This is just me learning from experience, trial and error. Get out there and do it yourself, you know, figure it out, read books, watch my videos, watch other videos, try it yourself. But I'm gonna keep working this by hand, and I'm gonna give it a nice pretty sand, get all the edges, and then I think the next video I'm gonna do is where I try to heat this up so I can bend this bad boy around, and then I'll make the plug at the bottom. And I'm not 100% sure how it's gonna work. I've seen it on TV, so it should do something. But man, I do appreciate y'all watching, and hopefully y'all having a wonderful 4th of July, American Independence Day today. For all you who ain't Americans that are watching me, I still appreciate y'all watching me, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my 4th of July, so I'm not going to keep working on this. I'm going to go do some things and pause for the cause. And you should wear a mask when sanding these things. Golly, I got to start wearing a mask. My throat's all full of powder, shirt's all covered, doesn't taste good, doesn't smell good. Y'all use a respirator. All right, y'all enjoy the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Thank you from my family and my friends over here. We appreciate y'all watching and subscribing. Do me a favor, go ahead and like it, subscribe it, hit that bell if you want notifications when I post. Tell your friends about it, and my mom says thank you. My mom's really enjoying these videos too. She's having a blast, and she liked all y'all's comments, and I really appreciate y'all making my mama smile. So thank y'all very much for that. So we'll have some more videos with Mom, with Grammy. So y'all take care now. God bless, and hopefully I'll have this edited and loaded up tonight, and we'll see you next time when we go to bend this thing and see how that works. All right, y'all. Take care now.